Theoretical significance. Actually, if you are doing your research in, if you are doing research in PhD, then theoretical significance is very important. Okay, because without having theoretical significance, you cannot. Your supervisor will not allow to do your study. But in the case of master, it must have the practical significance. Theoretical significance not, it is not mandatory, or but the theories should be there under which you will do your study if you are doing your quantitative research. But theories more play in we seriously look at the theoretical contribution in the case of PhD. The theoretical significance deals with how your theory will gain new understanding when applied to your study. This is accomplished by looking at earlier studies similar to yours. Technically, this is something you should do anyway to establish the gap in the literature you are attempting to fill. So once you see how they extended extended the understanding of the theory, you find the next logical step in how will you further you will do the expansion. It is relatively simple. Actually, I shall not take, because you are very beginners. You will not theoretical significance. Actually, we whatever we do our study, we consider the theory in our study. Either our study is supporting that theory or confirmation of the theory, or we develop the theory. Actually, whatever happening in this world, every aspects is being explaining by the theory. All the phenomena are being explained by theory. I have, if you want, I can give you 700 management theories that I have. Actually, what the when we find a problem, immediately that problem we consider this problem can be study under which theory, theory is explained this whole phenomena. So immediately we go for the theory and we consider that theory as underpinning under which we do our study. Sometimes we take all the variables from the theory. Sometimes under the theory we take some variables from the empirical study, from the existing literature. So theoretical significance and practical significance, that is called the managerial and societal and others implication that need to be considered. So the theoretical significance of the theory is a set of interconnected notions, definitions, concepts, as well as the propositions that elucidates. Actually, this theory I shall bring it in our evening session during our research design, research paradigm, research philosophy. There I shall talk about the theory, because we need to understand the theory is very important, and we need to understand the role of theory in our study. This is very important. That's why I shall talk there more than now. Okay, and practical significance, that I can explain a little. Practical significance refers to the empirical impact that such events has in real life. Obviously, the threshold to define practical significance vary between situations. One example, resulting positive to a life-threatening disease is practically significant. Now, while finding that the average length of your friend's beard in 1 centimeter less than yours is not, even if both events should be theoretically significant. So practical significance means managerial implications. Practical significance, how to write the practical significance, you will find there.